Hey CG, I'm Denver, and I have your announcements for Veterans Day, November 11, 2013. In club news, Creative Writing Club is meeting after school today until 3:45. And in sports news, any boy still playing a fall sport who is interested in playing basketball for the Red and White this season should stop by Coach Cooper or Coach Stuckmeyer's room today to let them know if you are interested. Please see them by Tuesday at the latest. Thanks to all on staff who have served in the military, and that's all we have for today, CG.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. President.